We realize the world has to rise above inequity, inequality, and inaccessibility. We understand childhood is incomplete without the joy of learning, the fun of friendship, and a sense of belonging.
India's education system is still far from providing equal access and quality to the young learners. Socioeconomic factors like class, gender, and ethnicity all have an impact on the educational experience children have in India. We understand how transformational education can be for young lives, their families, and even communities. With a little support, people can kickstart their lives and aim to achieve their goals and lead a better life. And this is the spirit behind various partnerships we have in the social sector.
The Fortis School Mental Health Program has been working now very closely with Macmillan Publications, and we are very proud of this association. I fundamentally believe that conversations around mental health, education around mental health is so integral to our educational milieu, because young children, as they grow up and become adults, it's our responsibility to ensure that we give them the right skills, the resilience, and mental health related information so that they can go through the maze of the life with positivity in our approach to mental health, and make sure children grow up into very responsible, empathetic adults. We've also been doing lots of workshop series on mental health awareness, training parents, teachers, and students through Macmillan Publications.
Udayan Ghar provides foster care, learning opportunities, and vocational training to more than 1,500 underprivileged children. We know the future belongs to the young, and having the right skills to succeed is essential. We stay grounded in the needs of our communities, partnering with them to provide the content and solutions they need to make real and sustainable progress. Connect every learner with the mainstream of growth everywhere and for a long time to come. The Blind Relief Association of Delhi works with more than 300 visually impaired children, providing them with audio equipment enable them to access knowledge. Over 150 IT teachers were trained under Computer Shiksha, an organization that offers free computer education to disadvantaged children. These teachers then reached out to around 35,000 children of weaker sections of the society.
It's a privilege for all of us to be part of their journey.
We are humbled to contribute in a small way to the realization of dreams of these deserving children. We urge you to join us, reach out to us in an effort of transforming lives.